Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers. If you don't know us, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We're currently in the northwest coast of Morocco in a town called Essaouira. We're about to get on our bus to Casablanca. This is the longest bus we've ever done in Morocco.
Not looking forward to it. It should be about 6 hours. There's no toilets on there. I think it's quite a basic bus. It does say comfort, but you don't know. But every 2 hours we're supposedly meant to stop for a wee break. So hopefully we should be all right. But we've literally got like 10 minutes. We've done quite well to head on. But that's our bus there. Looks like people are getting on. So maybe we should head on right now.
We've actually already got our tickets. We went down
a couple of days ago.
To get our tickets.
We're organised, guys. We're getting good at this. I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. That's so dramatic. Come on, let's head on to the bus. Checking our bags. 11 dirhams.
Thank you. See. Yeah.
Places 8 and 7.
8 and 7.
On board. These are a lot more spacious, a lot more cleaner. Looks quite comfortable actually.
To be honest, you've actually got like a leather effect on the seats, and it looks quite new. It all smells really new.
A lot more room up here.
Yeah. This is loads better.
Right, I'll squeeze in here. Oh look! Room there is. Oh.
Yeah, look. Last time off, literally my knees were pressed up against the thing.
What's like this?
Oh, was that meant to do?
Oh no. To do them. It broke. Change seats, boys. Alright, we'll just change the seats because Ben's just like falling back. Can you help me? Bag. Okay, it's the time to leave. It's 10 o'clock. At the moment, it's only not even half full, probably less. So hopefully it's like a half 8. Oh, straight away on the dot, yeah. 10 o'clock, so don't be late. These buses are proper on time, but this is so much nicer than the last one. The last one we had economy, was it? And this is comfort. We paid, how much did we pay for this? We paid 190 dirham per person for this bus. I think it's only a little bit more than the economy one, so I would definitely recommend paying a bit extra to have the comfort. Yeah. It's just so much cleaner, better, spacious. There's TVs, more headroom. It's just everything's better. Even like the windows look cleaner for me to film out of. Just things like that. Like
Reanne said, it's a newer bus, loads of leg room. You have got obviously this one. There's one above this. That's called the premium. It's actually got a toilet on board. This one hasn't got a toilet on board, but it does stop every 2 hours. The premium doesn't go from here. It only goes from Casablanca. So that's why we couldn't get it.
That's why we didn't do it.
Yeah.
We also, I've just noticed, maybe your leg Ben, there's charging ports there. So we've got USB charging ports, I don't know if you can really see it. Footrests, and there's also levers under our seat, if I can find mine. Where's the lever gone?
On the side.
On the side. So we've got a lever, and we can go back. And we've currently got no one behind us, so I can actually like relax here when we're back. But this is not too bad. We've even got a couple of snacks and drinks.
Oh no, unreal.
I feel like we're changed people.
We're actually prepared today. So this, obviously, this is half empty at the moment. This will only stop in Safi and one more stop before it gets to Casablanca. So the chances are this is going to remain pretty much empty. So I'm pleased with that.
I'm well happy with it.
Yeah, 6 hours is going to fly by.
Yeah, I feel like so much more comfortable.
Yeah, and we are surviving it pretty easy. Yeah. So far. Where it's so empty, I've sort of spread out a little bit, and I've got my own seat now. Reanne's over there reading a book. Sort of boring the life out of me. I'm quite bored now.
It's been an hour.
it's not even been an hour. I just want to talk to you a little bit about our plans for when we get to Casablanca. We are staying in like an apartment. Looking forward to showing you. Looking forward to seeing it actually, because it's like super like modern, in like a real hip sort of trendy area. And it's brand new. I think we're like maybe like the first people to stay there, or the first few people to stay there. Check out our local area. I want to do I want to see the modern side, show a bit more of the modern side, because last time we just done one video and it was a lot like in the Medina or the old stuff. So I want to show a bit of the modern side. I want to go to Morocco Mall. Obviously it's the biggest mall in Africa. Is it the biggest mall in Africa? Maybe, let me know.
Well, Ben's bored after an hour, but I'm loving these views. These views are unreal out here. Look how nice it is. I'm just chilled reading a book and that, but Ben gets really agitated easily. I was like, put your earphones in and listen to a podcast or something. Gave him a Coca-Cola and he's got some crisps, so keep him occupied for about 4 minutes. We are about an hour and a half into the journey. It's like 11:30 now, not far from our first stop, but I've already whacked the crisps out. Keep like getting them out and re-eating them and then stopping. So I feel like it's too soon, but we've gone for the leaders, the plain ones. I'm actually a massive fan of like ready salted and plain crisps, and these are ready salted, but it's so much nicer. I don't know what it is about it, but the chips are like really nice. They're like, I don't know if it's how they fry them and that, but they're like just a better taste. They're so good. But I didn't want to eat these too soon in our journey. Well, moving about it. Ben keeps giving me the side eye because I ain't shared any. You try? Try them. No, take one. They're good, aren't they?
They got a better crunch.
They look thinner.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, 2 hours into the journey, first stop, we're in Safi. Is it Safi?
Safi, we're in Safi.
Yeah, we're in Safi. Let's jump off. Oh. Toilet?
Toilet.
Go to the toilet. Don't forget where our bus is. We don't want it to go without us, so we'll be quick.
Yeah,
that one, yeah? Gotta remember where it is.
So this seems like a very busy bus station. I'm pretty sure, like, obviously, like in traditional Moroccan fashion, which we learned on the train before, everyone sits where they want, sat quite comfortably with loads of room. I'm hoping that it stays that way, but I'm pretty sure that there's going to be probably half the people getting on now. But yeah, we're at the toilet.
2 dirham each.
2 dirham.
Questionable toilets.
Was it a squatty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was all wet. I was well scared I was going to fall down the hole.
Do you want to get some snacks or anything?
I'm alright. Do you want anything? Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Do you want anything?
I don't know. You got what you got?
Yes. Right, Morocco.
Hey, Morocco.
Yes.
Morocco. One of these? How much?
Yes.
Yeah, do you want one? One of these pastries?
Yeah.
Yeah? Two?
Two.
Two. Yeah. Right, pastries purchased. Let's get back on the bus.
2? Is that right?
Yeah, shukran. Shukran.
Shukran. I forget which country I'm in. Right, let's head back on. We've got our goods.
Loads of road snacks now.
It's my bus.
Yeah, I think so. Always, you know.
So is that the right bus? It was a lot more full then.
Right, let's show you what we got.
Oh, so these are things Ben got in the shop. It's like a pastry.
We're trying together.
Yeah. Dry.
You was about to say that?
No, so they've got like a sticky outside, haven't they? Like a glaze on it. They're nuts.
Yeah, it's almost like it needs butter.
And it's got nuts in it. The outside's nice. It's a bit dry though.
And you've also got like our favourite.
These are literally our favourite thing.
What, we had these like 3 times?
Well, we only buy one, we do it every time.
I know. So good.
Like a chewy meringue texture. And the cross between a biscuit. 2 dirham. Oh, I can taste coconut. I think they're made with coconut. But these are nearly halfway snack.
We could actually get snacks at every stop.
I like your thinking.
Yeah, why not? The bus is literally 5 times as busy now. we've stopped again. We're at El Jadajad, where's our third stop. We have actually stopped once more. They stopped for lunch. First time we sort of got off and stretched our legs. There's nothing here whatsoever. Quite busy. The actual bus is pretty much full now.
It's just long now. We've got about 2 hours left. Yeah, there's not much here, as Ben said. We're just stretching our legs, but to be honest, we just want to get there. There's too many stops. Wow, I say too many stops. It's been 3 stops, but the last one must have been about 30 minutes.
As it's got busy, it's not as comfortable as it was.
No, we could spread out. Thank you. We made it to Casablanca. Here's our bag ticket, Ben. Give me that one. I'll get out of the way, but Ben grabs the bags. It's a bit overcast here, a bit gloomy. It's not cold, but it's not hot. But it's about 4 o'clock, so the whole trip with 3 stops took 6 hours. So actually not bad. It actually went a lot quicker than I thought it would be. Quite nice views, quite a pleasant ride. There's no traffic here in Morocco though. That's the best thing about here. Like, there's no traffic lights, you're never queuing in traffic. You can get everywhere on time. It's just so easy. Let's see what's going on with Ben. It must be the other side. Unless it's wander off. No, Ben probably has. You got it, Ben? There.
Where?
There, the back.
Yeah.
That one.
Where's your lug?
That one.
This one?
Yes, that one.
Yes,
Thank you.
You're welcome. Shukran.
Hold on, Ben, I need to get my bag on. Look at the gentleman helping me get it on. Oh gosh. It's a bit hectic here, isn't it?
Yeah, man, city.
We couldn't spot one of our bags for a while then. I got a little bit nervous. Ben's just putting in our Airbnb location. We're going to head straight there. We've got our day bag out today, so we've got like our 3rd bag. So we have the laptop and everything in there. No, thank you. It looks like our place is about a 30-minute walk away. We're just going to walk it. Ben's just messaging the host because she said she's going to meet us outside. We're just going to say we're on our way. We'll be there in a minute, but I'm really excited about this place. As Ben said earlier, it's like a new place, and it even specifies new comfortable mattress. And when you start getting old, you start thinking about things like this, like a comfortable mattress. Just does you well. I like my sleep.
Hello.
We've made it to our place. The host is so nice. But this place, I think this is the best place we've ever had. It's brand new. She said we're the 3rd people to stay here, but everything's just been fitted. New bathroom, new everything. So let me show you around. It's small, but it's perfect for 2 people. This is exactly what... We don't like it when it's too big. We spread out too much mess otherwise. Kitchen. We can do our washing, she said. We've got fridge, microwave, stoves. We can cook. Proper coffee machine with pods, which Ben's going to love. Tea, toaster, kettle, everything you need. Little breakfast table there. And then over here is like our lounge area, that's what we're going to call it. Little seating, we've got loads of storage, loads of hangers. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Extra blanket and pillows or anything we need, she said it's all in there. And then over here is the bed. Looks comfy. So it's like kind of divided with that little wall there. Everything like the bedside table, it's got the extra sockets, alarm clock, lamp, just all the extra things, and it looks really clean and smells nice. But it's meant to be a new soft mattress, so let's see what it's like. Oh, I feel like I'm just gonna like have the best night's sleep in this bed. It feels so good. The bathroom, this is the best part. No, actually second best part. Bathroom through here, brand new fitted bathroom. We've got a massive walk-in shower, like a rainfall shower, soaps, everything's supplied here. We've got our towels. She's even like gave us extra things that you might need. Pegs. We've got go up on the rooftop if you want to hang washing out, she was saying. Toilet rolls, toilet over here, wash basket. Just all the extra little bits that you don't always get. It's just them little touches are so nice. But then this is the best part. We've got a massive rooftop. Wow, it's not a rooftop terrace, is it?
Garden.
Garden.
We've
So
got a yard.
little seat. We'll probably have dinner this afternoon. They've lit some candles for us.
Lovely, isn't it?
It's lovely. Look, we can lock this up and close this off, so our doors are like secure and safe. And you can pull the shutter down.
These candles are already lit. Like, she's obviously anticipating our arrival. Very good first impression.
But this place is on Airbnb. It'll be in the description down below if you want to book it. Really, really nice host. Really good location. We're literally in the middle of the city. There's literally like Zara, supermarkets, everything here. I think this is like the shopping centre. It's a really good location. But we're just going to go unpack a little bit, get sorted, and then we're going to pop to the shop because we've got no accessories, no water, nothing. And then maybe get food. What time is it?
It's not far. By the time
It's about 4:45 now. We normally wait for around 6 for dinner. We're really impatient when it comes to dinner, but we've actually had snacks today and eaten, so
no excuse.
it's not too bad. Do you know what I could really do with?
What?
Pomegranate juice. I've really craved one today. I've really fancied it. But let us unpack. We'll get back to you. All right, we're back from the shop. We've got our water and essentials in. Just made Ben coffee from the coffee machine. I've got mint tea. I found some mint teas in there. Oh, it smells so good.
It's so peaceful. Like, I really love this place.
Yeah, this could be like a home. But we've like, if you followed us for a while, you know, like our 3 main rules was good Wi-Fi, good, oh my God, good Wi-Fi, aircon. What was the third one?
Private bathroom.
And a private bathroom. You don't need aircon here because it's quite chilly in the evening, so you don't need it. And to be honest, we've been using the extra blanket as well. It's been getting that chilly. Wi-Fi is amazing at this place, and as you saw, the bathroom is brand new. But one of our new like little things is we like to have like a kitchen area with a kettle and all that, especially if we're planning to do like work in a bit.
I like an Airbnb.
Yeah, I love it, Airbnb.
Yeah.
And also another thing is we like an outside seating area. It's not a dark, dingy room. We like the light coming in.
Bit of natural light.
We've kind of changed it up a little bit, but we're still budget.
Obviously it's easier now because we've got a bit more money. Not saying we're rich, but we've got a bit more money. It's a bit more, like before when we first started, we honestly did not have a penny. So that's why we was like major budgeting. We got a little bit more money coming in so we can spend a little bit more and we can enjoy places like this. And this is
within our budget. We still easily manage on our $30 though, so it's not like we're actually going extreme. I think we're just looking a bit better, and we're looking on Airbnb, and it depends which country you're in, whether Airbnb or booking.com is better, so always compare accommodations.
And we got a bit more savvy, haven't we? Like we know how to get better deals and stuff. So. Yeah,
but other than that, we are done for the evening. I'm really looking forward to exploring Casablanca. It's our 2nd time here, but this time, as Ben was saying earlier on, we're going to explore the more modern side, the malls, just like we've done a lot of the Medinas, so we want to try something different here.
Yeah, we probably will still go to the Medina. But...
Oh yeah, because I want to go shopping.
Yeah.
Always go to Medina. But that's about it. We're going to probably order food. We're a little bit lazy today. A long travel day just makes us so lazy, so we're going to order something off Glovo and watch a movie.
So make sure you watch the next video. As Reanne said, we're going to explore Casablanca. So excited, and we're going to try and do as many videos as we can from Casablanca, so subscribe. Oh, we're both in it?
Well yeah, because you're going to say couple, so
Okay.
be a bit weird otherwise, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Right,
Be excited.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Or told Dridgers.
Yeah, no.
It is?
Yeah.
So much. I don't know why we only buy wine. Oh gosh. Obviously we don't need Wi-Fi here. It gets quite chilly in the evening and it's quite cosy, which we like.
That doesn't make sense.
Don't need Wi-Fi? Oh my god.